We will be making this Kusudama, and this is made using A ratio paper and assembled using 30 units. I have here this A ratio paper. The measurement is in the video description. Start off on right side up in this direction. We want to fold from lower right to upper left like this, and open up. And the next step is to make an angular bisector on this angle here. So fold it like this. Turn over 180 and repeat the same angular bisector like this. Now I just want to rotate a bit so that it's facing this straight direction. Fold from this point here up to this point like this. And next step will be to just fold so that it makes a line that goes through this point and this point. So we have to fold this downwards. And if you fold down, you will make sure that it's aligned to the angle at the back like this. And you will just make sure that this one doesn't meet. That's okay. Turn to the back. Repeat the same. Make a line so that it goes through these 2 points. Fold it down like this. And make sure that it aligns to the edge at the back, this edge. Now open this up like this. We just want to make this fold, mountain fold to the back, and it aligns to the edge like this. And repeat the same for this one. Fold it back like this. And this is a completed unit. To assemble, I'll show you 3 assembly. Basically, this is the flap. This part is the flap, and the pocket is like this here. You just have to insert it like this. Make sure it aligns this edge, aligns it well. And take another piece. You might want to hold it like this. Take another piece and insert. And we just want to bring the first flap to the third pocket. Rotate it like this. You don't have to insert it first, just leave it here like this. And once this is in place, lift this pocket at the other side and insert this part in. Assemble 30 units and you will have Kusudama.